Hey movers, thank you so much for being here today. I am showing you 2 ways that you can stretch out your calf muscles. So let's get started in downward facing dog, which is the first variation. So find your downward facing dog. And once you're there, one of my favorite things to do here is just to pedal out the feet. So just bending one knee at a time and really trying to root that heel down towards the mat. So sometimes we call this walking out your dog. You're going to feel the back of your lower leg get a nice stretch here. And think about pressing the hips up and back and also the forearms pressing forward. Do that a few times. Good. And then we can lower the knees down to the mat, and we're going to take our second variation. So the second one is from tabletop position and just taking one leg back. Now make sure that your wrists are underneath your shoulders, okay, and your knees are about underneath your hips before you do this. Oh my gosh, my hair is crazy. Hold on a second. Okay. So take one leg back behind you, ground through the toes, and press the left heel down towards the mat as much as you can. Draw the belly of the ribs in. The heel obviously doesn't have to touch, but you're really aiming to root it down. And if you want to make this a little more dynamic, you can rock forward and back. Okay, a few times, rock forward and back. Good, let's switch. So let's take the other leg. For me, it's the right leg. Take it back. Ground through your toes and press the heel down towards the ground. Holding here. Make sure you're drawing the belly, the ribs in. And maybe rock forward and back. All right, when you are finished, go ahead and just meet in a child's pose to give those hands, the wrists a rest, soften down. Those are my 2 favorite ways to stretch the calf muscles. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.